You are going to love the 2018 Versa. With its roomy and inviting interior, impressive technology, and exceptional gas mileage, the Nissan Versa is smart to own and fun to drive. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power mirrors, steering wheel audio controls, cruise control, power outlets, power door locks, power windows, tachometer, tilt steering wheel, auto express down window, bucket seats. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.